sharing about Pointer today, and they have reached out to me before, and I have already shared a number of their products with you. But they were a big presence at Creativation Trade Show this year, not only on the show floor, but also participating in Product Palooza, as well as sponsoring part of the trade show itself. So I wanted to thank them for that, as well as this bag of goodies. Pointer has been in business for a number of years. I'm not sure that we have seen them in the US until recently, but they are available on Amazon and they are reasonably priced. They are school grade or craft grade materials. So what came in my Pointer bag from the trade show was a canvas panel. This is 8x10. It's 100% cotton. It's printed with artist-free gesso and sustainable for oil and acrylic painting. They also gave us a set of these detailed liner brushes. There's 5 brushes in here. They're great for acrylic, oil, and watercolor. The other thing I want to point out is I have recently seen some ads on Facebook for a little teeny tiny detailer that they are great for paint by number sets. So the paintbrushes that you typically get in a paint by number set are not that great, and some of the areas are extremely small to get into. So I know that these detailed and liner brushes would come in great handy at a reasonable price for that use. They gave us a ruler, which is always nice to have, and it does look like, yeah, there is a slight metal edge to it here, so you're not going to nick away at the wood, and with the holes you can hang it up. It comes in inches and millimeters. And then lastly, we got this package of sampled colors. So they carry watercolor, oil, and acrylic paint. So you can test out the different kinds of paints that they carry, and you can see that they have the sticker on here that you can visit them, and this is scannable if you're interested in looking at that. But as I said, they're also available on Amazon. And as I'm looking at this and I'm looking through the package, you can see here that it has an AP approval rating. It's covered by the sticker on the back, however. But that is good to know as well. So thank you to Pointer for providing that bag of goodies at the trade show.